Choosing the right cabinet finish is crucial for both style and durability, especially in humid climates like Fort Lauderdale. Let's dive into the main types of finishes that can elevate your modern kitchen aesthetics. First up, painted finishes. They offer a sleek look but can chip over time, especially in moisture-rich environments. Matte finishes provide a sophisticated touch, but they can be harder to clean and may show fingerprints easily. Gloss finishes are shiny and reflect light beautifully, but they can highlight imperfections in the surface. Semi-gloss finishes strike a balance, offering durability and easy maintenance, making them a popular choice. Wood veneer adds warmth and texture, but it requires careful upkeep to prevent warping and humidity. Laminate finishes are budget-friendly and come in various styles, but they can lack the depth of real wood. Textured finishes can add character, but they may collect dust and require more frequent cleaning. Now, let's look at some stunning kitchen examples showcasing each finish in action. When choosing a finish, consider your kitchen style, how often you cook, and the humidity levels in your area. Mixing finishes can create visual interest, while accent cabinets can highlight your favorite features. Don't forget protective coatings to enhance longevity and maintain that fresh look over time. With the right choices, your kitchen can be both beautiful and resilient against the elements.